Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and to my first official YouTube video. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you can become a permanent subscriber. You can subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button, and then you can also click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. This vlog is about my trip to Canada's Wonderland. It was an amazing experience and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends, like, subscribe, and if you go to Canada's Wonderland, let me know how your experience is. If you plan to go to Wonderland, I don't recommend a solo trip because depending on your location, it's expensive to get there. So I think it's in Vaughan and I'm in Waterloo, so that's quite a distance. Luckily I didn't have to pay for transport, but if you have to pay for transport, that's something to factor in. When you go as a group, you can all split the cost of the fare, but if it's only you, it's going to be like too expensive. Also for the tickets, I think my tickets with tax cost like 60 something or so. I will confirm and put the actual price there. I know that when you go with 15 plus people, it's cheaper. Obviously you may not have 15 people to go with, but that's just the price. I think on certain days it's more expensive. I picked the ticket for that night. That was why it was more expensive. I was going the next day, but I made a mistake and booked a ticket for that day, and I think it was the ticket for the next day was like $5 cheaper. So please make sure that you pick the right date. You can always correct it if you made any mistake, but to save money I would have had extra $5 if I did make that mistake. Guys, I think I actually came with the wrong group because these people are fun seekers and I don't seek this kind of fun. I just did this celebrity and I go to the program. You guys, my nails even came off. I was just praying to my maker because I cannot come here and not go back home alive. I had to close my eyes and I think I passed out like 4 times for this ride. Oh my god. how do we decide that this is what fun is? Jesus did not die for me to come and die because of fun. I beg. For the most important thing, food. You guys, food in this place is expensive, I won't even lie. So I got a Subway. Usually I would get a foot long for like $14-15. This time around, with like taxes and everything, I think I paid almost $17 for a 6-inch. Imagine the price difference. So if I was going to get a foot long, maybe I would have had to spend up to like $30 or so. So food here is actually really expensive. What we did to cut down our expense on food was that we ate before coming. So my friend's mom cooked and we ate in the car shortly before we entered the park. And then while we were walking in, we saw a lot of families just eating by their cars. People were having like picnics, serious something. So that's something that you might want to do. Just make sure you bring food, eat, and then you go in, so that it limits the amount of food you buy while you're there and you save money. They have this food pass. I think it's like $30, and you can eat at some selected stores there or something like that. I'll try and verify and post an update if I can. But yeah, you can also do that. There's also a drink option, so you can pay to get unlimited refills of drinks and things like that. Those are ways you can save money. But personally, for me, I'll say eat before you come. There's rice at home, so that when you're there, maybe just buy one thing, or just buy snacks, and then you're good to go. Come to the end of today's video and this vlog. Thanks so much for watching. It was a 10/10 day. I will not try some of these rides again, but see you in my next adventure. Bye guys.